In this video, I will show you how to add custom metadata to homepage, blog posts, and other pages in Squarespace. To start, let's look at the formatting of the metadata. Go to Marketing, then SEO. This is where we can set the homepage metadata. By default, the meta title is set to the site title. For the pages, the format is the page title then a hyphen and the site title as represented by the variables. Let's change the separator into a pipe symbol. Next, for the items or individual pages like the blog posts. On the SEO title format, the variables represent the title and the site title. Let's change the separator on this too. Now, let's set custom meta title and description on the home page. Let's just copy the content on the page as an example. Let's test this using the SEO extension. As you can see, our changes are updated. Next, let's modify the page. For this SEO title, you don't need to add the site title. We have successfully updated the metadata for this page. Finally, let's try this on a blog post. The same process as the pages, go to Settings and add the meta title or description.